landing. Are you okay? Try to move your head. Drag on the screen to your right. Great. Now look up and down at the... Excellent. Now... All's well, Chief. Go on, your squad is waiting.
You can see the location of your objective via the arrow at the top of the screen. Go ahead and link up with them.
Couldn't stay away from the sun, huh, Chief? Good to see you anyways.
Great to see you back. Almost inviting shape. I'm just kidding.
Okay, listen up. Command has a new mission for us. Operation Sandstorm.
Kinda sounds poetic, don't it?
Well, Operation Get Cooked in the Desert just don't have the same ring.
All right, you knuckleheads. We move out in 0100. Chief, first, let's do a quick practice. Approach an obstacle and press the jump button to... A similar icon will appear whenever you can execute it. You can also keep moving forward